After getting to know each other, day 2 of our industrial training was all about getting our hands dusty and minds busy. We planned to visit not just one, but 4 factories in one day. We started the day with South India's leading plywood manufacturers, the Chandrika Plywoods. Their team was super friendly and welcoming, getting to know in detail the process of peeling the wood into thin sheets called veneer, and then the complete process till it becomes a proper plywood that we use for our industry.
मतलब इधर में हम कटिंग कर रहे हैं 2 mm कटिंग कर रहे हैं 1/5 कटिंग कर रहे हैं 1 mm कटिंग कर रहे हैं इस हिसाब से हमको कितना थिकनेस चाहिए वही हिसाब से कटिंग करेगा।
You can see after cutting the wood, they trim it into perfect sizes, bond multiple layers, and what comes out is solid finished plywood. But it's getting to know the in-depth process between the raw material to the finished good that makes all the difference.
Water resistant. Okay, that is the highest grade. Even if you put that in boiling water, the plywood remains the same. It won't happen. It's the most durable. So this is the different resin.
ये MR में हमको ये इसमें ड्राई करेगा तो 10% का ऊपर मॉइस्चर तो मुश्किल 10% के नीचे 10% के नीचे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। वो BWP बनाएगा तो उसमें 6% के नीचे चाहिए।
Different process of sticking this together. The gum, the glue, the process is entirely different. So the quality, the durability is entirely different. But the BWR is boiling water resistant. MR എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ full form moisture resistant. BWR is more durable. So for different quality of plywood, we use different quality, different moisture content.
Getting to know more about the moisture control process, the hot press process, cutting, the calibration, and everything in between. We had a solid discussion on different types of plywood, finishes, adhesives, and the students had some great questions too.
1000 to 1200 करके हो जाएगा। 1200 फुल प्रोडक्शन है तो
This is the volume. That is the amount of wood you need. Very logical question.
After a group photo, we went on to the metal fabrication unit of KEMI. They are one of the leading manufacturers of lab equipments and precision machineries. Here, the students were introduced to precision engineering, heavy-duty CNCs, laser cutting, press brakes, lathe machines.
So this is basically, you see nut and bolt. This will have a thread in it that the ball goes inside, right? So the paint goes inside. You do the, again it's basically cleaning the thread.
They were introduced to in-depth of metal fabrication, both sheet metal and others. After getting to know about the laser cutting, we saw the powder coating process. From bare metal to colorful finished parts, the transformation was insane. Again some Q&As and then taking a break for lunch, and now we are about to visit the interior and furniture manufacturing units to see how different materials come into final products. Stay tuned, there's much coming up.